Hey guys, I selling or trade some stuff. This tech deck rail here thing with non-sliders on, and some foam tape, one piece pre-cut and three uncut. So a special metal box, you can't buy it. I self make it, so it's very special. And a tech deck barrier with burnwood sticker on, and some non-sliders, and Tech Deck Alien Workshop and Tech Deck Alien Workshop 2 with rib tape, so and marble thing, mini thing, and a bigger a bigger one with winger wheel sticker, and 18 pieces of grip. So that's nice, and some uh, deck with sumo trucks and sumo wheels. So I think that was that. I have yeah, I make it really quick. Take the barrier here, and so that's nice. So comment and to mention me if you want to buy some stuff. So bye.